Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram user not found issue. If you want to help me out, give this video a like, 'cause each like gets me a few more views and that helps me grow my channel. So the first thing you want to do is and consider is if you're typing in a name and it brings up the user not found, you have one of three issues. First, you block the person. Second, the person blocked you. Or third, the user basically deleted his his Instagram account. So what you can do, and the first thing you can do is click on your profile photo at the bottom right, and then go on the three dashes at the top, click on settings, and you want to find privacy. Here it is, privacy. Click on privacy. You have the blocked accounts option, and you want to make sure this user isn't in your block account. If he isn't, and you're sure he didn't block you, what you can do is you can go over on your settings, go to general, click on iPhone storage, and you want to find Instagram and click offload app. So this can help in some cases because you pretty much reset some of your data. If that doesn't work, you can go on the App Store or the Google Play Store, type in Instagram, and you want to make sure you have the latest version. And if all that doesn't help, maybe the person blocked you or deleted his account. So if you want to reach to him by Facebook or something to make sure everything is good. If this video helped you out, give it a like. See you next video.